Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to book the National Express tickets online in the UK in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on nationalexpress.com, which is the official booking website of National Express. Now, when you are here, you just have to first of all click on the option of sign up on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, you just have to simply sign up here with the help of your email address. Then you just have to select your travel from location. So you can either use your own location or you can use the route map. So after selecting the route map option, you just have to select your destination. Then you just have to select your to destination. Afterwards, you just have to select your departure date, then select the number of passengers, and then click on the option of find your journey. Now, as soon as you click on the find your journey option, it is going to show you all of the routes that are available. So you just have to simply select that particular route in which you are interested. Afterwards, you just have to basically select the route and go to the payment page. After taking a look at all of the information like seat reservation, additional luggage, travel flexibility add-ons, you just have to provide your personal details and make the payment with debit, credit, or other digital payments depending on the platform's availability. So once the payment is done, your booking will be confirmed and you are going to get the e-ticket, QR code, and the journey details. So you can typically access the tickets through the email, app storage, and my account for easy boarding. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.